Hi, I'm Randy Simmons, a senior fellow at the Independent Institute and professor of political economy at Utah State University. One of the areas that I study is water, water rights, water law, and the fights that happen over water. Mark Twain supposedly said that in the West, whiskey is for drinking and water is for fighting. And he's right, even today. We still are going to be fighting over water, and especially as drought conditions persist in especially California, there are going to be lots of battles over who has the rights to the water. Do the fish? Do other endangered species that might be in the water? How about the farmers who've been using the water for years? What about people who live in cities? What kind of rights do they have? And how's that all going to play out? It's really hard to know, but there are going to be some really serious fights over water. One of the problems with water in the West is that we have all of these federal reclamation projects that dammed rivers, diverted the water to the farmers, but then we underprice the water to the farmers, seriously underprice it, so that some farmers in the San Joaquin Valley, for example, might be paying as little as $25 an acre foot for water that would be worth thousands, at least up to $5,000 an acre foot in residential use, which would be great if the farmers could sell their water, but they can't. The federal government doesn't allow them to sell their water to the cities. It would be so much easier if we all had, in cities, we had rights to a certain amount of water, and if we used less than that, we could sell that to our neighbor, or sell the rights to use that to our neighbor. Instead, there's no way for any sort of markets to work that would allow us to conserve water in a more rational way than some sort of mandatory system. Be ready for the mandatory systems. There will be all kinds of clever ones, and they will be telling people how to use their water.